How do you start your Fiverr account and create your profile so you can start having clients? You will learn exactly that and what are my top secrets for succeeding on Fiverr as a beginner in today's video. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about all things freelancing and growing your online business from scratch with social media strategies that are unique and organic. So if you're interested in those, make sure to subscribe because I have a lot more videos coming up for you. So if you don't know, I've been freelancing on Fiverr twice. Actually, I had two different profiles but at different times because you're only allowed to have one profile under your name. And the first time I sold social media services and the next time I sold photography services on Fiverr and videography for businesses that needed visuals for their business. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you the secrets on creating a Fiverr account that sells and that brings in clients. Step 1, pick a niche. Even if you have multiple passions and you want to make Fiverr all about that, Fiverr, if you want to turn it into your business and if you want it to be your main income stream, you have to pick a certain niche or a category for your profile because people will be confused if you don't do that and they won't know what do you work as, what's your expertise, are you better at all the things that you offer, and it will get them really confused and not trusting you. So my advice for you is to pick a niche or a main category that you sell your services in. For example, the first time I had a Fiverr account, I had social media services listed and that's all I sold, social media services helping people grow their business. And the second time I sold videography and photography, photo editing gigs, so things that went well together and helped people with the visuals of their business. So that was all that my profile was about. Now, how do you pick a niche? If you're a beginner and don't have a certain expertise that you want to sell your services in, you might be wondering, okay, but what's working on Fiverr? What am I supposed to list my gigs in? I have multiple passions, but what works? I want clients, I want money, this is why I'm doing this. So my advice for you is to go ahead and search up all the categories that are popular on Fiverr or that people sell services on Fiverr that you really enjoy and that you would enjoy getting clients for and actually working on those things. So the way I did it at first, I searched for categories that people were already selling their services in, such as social media marketing, website design, and I took a look at the gigs that were already there and I saw what people are offering, their prices, and I kind of thought, okay, this is needed because look how many clients this one person had. And another thing, if you just go to Fiverr and type in website, you will see all the other words that people are searching on Fiverr alongside that word, alongside that expertise that you're looking into. So you can get some gig ideas there as well. The next step is for you to open up your Fiverr profile and obviously add a photo of you, one in which you're smiling or your face is really clear because you want people to trust you, you want people to get to know you as a freelancer from your profile picture and the details that you add on your profile. So make sure to optimize your profile. This is the most important thing you need to do as you're starting your Fiverr account. So optimize your profile image, optimize your description. In the description, don't add things such as I like cats or dogs or this is my favorite thing to do in the summer because nobody cares. You need to add things in the description that are about you but that are relevant to the gigs and services that you're offering. So if you're selling social media services, tell people a little bit about your experience with other businesses, or if you don't have experience, tell them about your work and how you can help them achieve those things. Another really important thing you need to do when you're creating your Fiverr profile is adding in your skills and also verifying them with Fiverr tests. So again, don't add skills such as drawing if your services are about singing. Nobody will care about that. That is not relevant to your profile or the services that you're selling. Make sure to add skills in there that are relevant to the gigs you're selling because people will look at those and think, okay, this is the freelancer for me. I want to work with this person. And besides that, based on the skills that you're adding there, Fiverr will provide tests for you to take and verify those skills, and everybody will be able to see that you verify those skills and that you're not lying about your skills. You can actually help them to do that. The next thing you need to do is to create your first Fiverr gig. I'm going to talk a lot more about optimizing your first gig and what gigs you need to create on your Fiverr account to get clients in future videos, but right now I'm going to give you a few tips. The first thing you need to do is explain briefly in the title what your gig is about, but explain it with keywords. So take a look at other keywords that people are typing in their titles for their gigs, similar gigs to what you want to create as well, and add them in your title as well. Don't make it too long, don't make it too short. Explain what your gig is about. The next thing that you need to think about is what you're going to put in your gig's description. So the description needs to explain what the gig is about, what the client is going to get, and how you can help achieve that, and maybe a few things about your experience. Make sure you're not using the same words too much because Fiverr won't allow that. Next, you're going to have to decide your pricing and your packages. I suggest using all 3 packages, and the first one should always be $5. Regarding that gig that you're creating, the first one, make it $5 and offer a service suited for that price, and the next 2 gig, make them as optimized for your client's needs as you can, but let them know in the gig description that they can send you a message anytime for a custom offer or a custom service. A very important thing you need to do is to make sure that your Fiverr photos and the video are very good quality and you really put in effort to those. I will create another video about this soon, so be sure to subscribe to know how to do that. The next thing you need to do is to get your Fiverr gig in search so people can find it and purchase your gig and make you money. How do you do that? Make sure to promote your gig and get as many views on your gig as you can from friends, family, or your social media audience. This will ensure that your Fiverr gig gets up in search, people will find it and want to work with you and start making you money. I have a lot more videos on this topic. If you want to see them, make sure to click on the playlist below. That will teach you everything you need to know about Fiverr, making money on Fiverr, and selling services. That was it for today's video, but again, I'm going to come back with more tutorials so I can help you become a successful Fiverr freelancer. So be sure to subscribe and also like this video if you've enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.